Hello, everyone. This is Connor MacIvor, first responder realtor, and always Connor with honor, bringing you the latest from Santa Clarita Valley real estate market. Today is going to be October 24th, 2024, and we're at the 298th day of 2024. Today we have some particularly important updates focusing on price reductions, new listings, and what's coming soon in the Santa Clarita market. So stay tuned for the most up-to-date information. This will definitely help you make informed decisions whether you're a buyer or a seller. In the last 7 days, we've seen a total of 552 active listings across single-family homes, condos, and townhomes in the Santa Clarita Valley. So breaking that down, we've had 10 properties coming soon, 62 new listings have been added to the inventory, and a significant 97 price changes. It's crucial to note these price changes aren't just a majority price changes. 90% or better are the properties that have had their prices reduced in the past 7 days. This is important to note, especially in a market where pricing strategy can definitely make or break a sale. We also have 20 properties that have entered back on the market, which can present unique opportunities for buyers who previously missed out. Currently, 29 homes are under contract. 47 properties are pending sale, meaning the market is still moving despite these adjustments. Now let's talk specifics. We have a 1.750 million custom home for sale in Bouquet Canyon. It's a 6-bedroom, 5-bath property, 4,800 square feet in lot size. That's an acre, folks. Very, very close, giving you ample space. Another prime example of a great deal is a 3-bedroom home in the Tres Robles subdivision, and this is going to be listed at $514,950. It's got great freeway access from there, and you're pretty much in the hub there of Canyon Country, so the access to most everything is very simple, and that's very perfect for first-time home buyers looking for an affordable entry point into the market. Now, price per square foot varies across these listings, showing how diverse the Santa Clarita market is. For example, a home on Elias Avenue in Saugus is listed at $545.06 per square foot. Meanwhile, the custom Bouquet Canyon home is listed at $486.79 per square foot. These figures can give both buyers and sellers valuable insight into the current pricing trends so you can make better decisions. We've also seen a number of properties reducing their prices. For example, Plum Canyon has dropped its price. Property in Plum Canyon has dropped its price and now is listed at $1.163,300,000. This type of adjustment is crucial for sellers to remain competitive, especially in this current market, and a price adjustment online is going to then trickle down into the syndication system, so now you're getting more exposure for your home. And of course, if it's priced too high at the time it's listed, making those adjustments are very necessary to bring more attention and more buyers to your doorstep. This definitely does bring me to an important point. And as I was doing research this morning, it struck me, if your agent isn't a part of the local Board of Realtors, it can affect the visibility of your listing. And it's not going to include all of the data. That's the important thing, because savvy real estate buyers are looking for potential data points for listings before they go out and even look at the properties. One of these indicators, and I put this up at the blog post for today at www.santaclaritaopenhouses.com, is the fact that it's missing some subdivision elements and neighborhoods. So if you have your house on the market for sale and it's listed with an agent that's not a direct member of our local board, it's not going to be seen with all of the data. They're not going to be able to search by neighborhood or find out where it's actually located, and maybe they're looking at a neighborhood because of school, proximity to freeways, proximity to work, and those sorts of things. If the information isn't there, they're not going to see it. And in addition, that information is going to change the value of your home as it shows up in syndication systems. I know you've seen it. You list your house for sale, it goes out there, and then one of these syndication sites like the Big Z or these others are saying, well, your house is worth $850 when you have it priced at $900,000. In some cases, that data is the reason why it's lacking that $50,000 in what the syndication site believe it's valued at. In addition, though, the syndication sites also have their own programming and algorithm built in to telling you what a particular home is worth. So weigh that gently But again, the data isn't there, so the consumer can't make the best offer possible because it's lacking, because you decided to list it with an agent that isn't a member of the actual local board. Now, of course, your listing is going to be in the local board. However, it's not going to have all of the fields required that our local board requires. So there's going to be information that hasn't been placed into the system that's going to be able to be provided to the people that are searching for houses. Very simple. Please, if you have more questions on that, let me know. I do know that this is going to create a little bit of a stir. Contact me. More than happy to talk about it. As always, I'm really there for you. This has been your Santa Clarita Real Estate Update. I'll have some associated shorts produced based on this as well. And when you're ready, reach out to me. I know we have a weekend coming up, so open houses are going to be a plethora, I'm sure. Once we watch real estate start to slow down a bit, like it has in Santa Clarita Valley, and by a bit, I mean by a small percentage, but that additional inventory, just a couple months ago, we weren't breaching 500 units for sale at all. Now we're in the 550s, and that will probably continue throughout the holidays, just because the holidays and this being an election year, that tends to slow things down just a bit. I'm Connor with Honor. Thank you for watching. We will be back in the next one. Over and out.